I'm not just teaching business ideas in this video. I'm teaching you how to stop surviving and start building skill-based income that can change your financial level. See, this thing I'm about to share is working around you already. And ordinary people are making serious money from it. Real money is on the street, so stop looking for businesses that look rich. You have to stop overcomplicating money. People are making 200k, 300, even 500k from single deals, and you are sleeping on it. Many real wealthy people built money from ordinary problems. Money hides inside inconvenience. See, in this video, I will show you 7 practical skill-based businesses with high margin income. You can start immediately, even if you don't know anything about it yet. Some of these skills don't even require you to become the expert yourself. You can learn the business side in a short while. You can outsource production and start scaling. And you don't even need to quit your current job. But before I go into the details, please permit me to say this. Digest this I'm about to say, because it is the most important aspect of any business and the determining factor of your business's success. There are 2 sides to almost every skill-based business. Number 1 is the production side. This is the technical skill itself. The people behind the scene. And number 2 is the business side. The truth is, many people are talented, but hey, they are terrible at business. The business side is you are getting customers, branding, packaging, the marketing, the pricing, the customer relationship, the scaling. See, many people don't understand something about business. You don't always need to be the one doing the technical work before you make serious money. Please get this, because this is where many people limit themselves, and that keeps them broke. Many times, the biggest money goes to the people who understands how to deal with people. The marketing, they understand the visibility, the trust, the packaging. Hey, some people can package nonsense and still sell. And people who knows customer acquisition. So if you understand business and how to acquire customers and keep them, that is the CRM now. Because getting customer is one thing. Keeping them coming back is where real business stability comes from. And if you can get this right, see, you don't blow. You can build income with any of this I'm about to share, even without being the technician yourself. Now that we are on the same page, let's dive into the street skill-based businesses I want to share with you. I will explain the skills and practical ways to start. But first, please let me like this video. Thank you for doing that. Number 1 is nylon and packaging printing. See, everybody needs packaging now. Food vendors, bread sellers, boutiques, schools, churches, skincare brands, supermarkets. Everybody wants branded nylon and packaging. And the funny thing is, many people entering this business think they must get giant machines. No, you can start by becoming a marketer, a branding consultant, and other agents. You can collect jobs, send them to bigger printing companies, add your own profits. That's business. Some people are already making money without even owning any of these machines. What you must think first is, can you find customers? That is where the real skill is. And once businesses trust you, they will keep ordering consistently. Number 2 is clothes customization. See, this business is exploding. People no longer wear clothes. People now wear identity. That's why customized shirts, hoodies, sport wears, school wears, church wears, birthday outfits, corporate polos are everywhere. See, one school sportswear contract alone can bring serious money. And there are different types of customization sites you can go into. Express, the embroidery, the DTF printing, vinyl printing, jersey customization. And again, let me say that you don't always need to own any of the machines immediately. Some people focus mainly on branding, then they outsource the production. I want you to understand this very well. The person posting customized clothes online is not always the one behind the pressing machine. Sometimes they simply understand how to market, package, and they understand customer psychology. So number 3 you can go into is niche sewing. One mistake you might be making as tailor is trying to sew everything. The real money is usually in specialization. Just find a niche and dominate it. Profitable sewing niches you can go into are maybe like school uniforms. This is very powerful. Schools reorder every session. Children will grow. Uniforms will tear. And the market keeps repeating itself. What of sportswear production for schools? You can produce for football teams. You can produce for fitness brands. This market is growing very, very fast. You can specialize in native wears, especially the premium senator wears and the ashwebi. Appearance is now a serious thing in the industry. What of corporate uniforms, security outfits, hospital scrubs, office wears? These are in steady demand. In what of children's clothing? Parents spend emotionally on their children. That market really dies. And listen, you don't have to become the best tailor first before entering fashion business. You can partner with skilled tailors. There are plenty out there. They are struggling to get customers. Many talented people lack visibility, and that gap alone is a business opportunity for you can tap into. Number 4 is content creation. I call this your online real estate. Let me say something that many people still don't understand. Content creation is no longer just social media posting. Content creation is digital real estate. And the earlier people understand this, the faster they stop seeing social media as only entertainment. Because some people are building assets online right now that keeps paying them repeatedly. Just like physical real estate can bring rent every month, your online content can be bringing customers. It can be bringing sales opportunities, influence partnerships, and even income. So even while you are sleeping, you can be earning. Many people think if I want to become a content creator, I must quit my job. No, that's one of the biggest mistakes you can ever make. You can start building your online presence while still working. In fact, many successful creators today started after work, during weekends, at night, just with their ordinary phones from their rooms. And over time, their content became an asset. Please understand this deeply. Every valuable video you post online is like building a small house on the internet. Just one video can keep working for years. A good YouTube video today can bring views next year. It can attract customers even months later. And it can keep generating income repeatedly. It can build trust. That is digital rent. Look at it this way. You leave work every day and return with nothing that continues working for you online. No visibility, no digital presence, no audience, no brand. But somebody somewhere is consistently posting their knowledge, solutions, stories, skills, experiences. Then gradually they become visible. And visibility usually creates opportunity. So why is content creation powerful? See, because the internet rewards attention. It rewards consistency, usefulness, not just certificates. You can create content around your business, around money, around parenting, education, fashion, baking, farming, sewing, teaching, motivation, faith, relationships, even AI tools. Anything valuable can become content. So start thinking like a landlord. A landlord will keep building houses because each house can keep bringing rent. That's exactly how content works. Every useful video online becomes another digital property that will keep working for you. And some videos may perform small today, but some may explode massively in the future. But collectively, they will build authority and opportunities over time for you. And you don't even need expensive equipment to start this. Because this delays many people. You are waiting. You are waiting for the perfect camera. You are waiting for expensive studio, professional lighting. See, somebody like me, I already started with Android phone. I'm using natural light as I am. CapCut to edit. And consistency. And we keep growing. So start where you are. Improve as you grow. Please don't rush to quit your job because of social media excitement. Some people do that. Just build gradually. Let content become an additional income source, a visibility platform, a digital asset, and a future business system. Number 5 is online teaching. This is one of the businesses Nigeria still underestimates, but I don't know why. See, I'm in the educational sector. Your knowledge can become income. The internet has even removed location barriers. Today, you can teach from your room and hear from different states and countries. So what people can teach? You can teach so many things. You can teach phonics, mathematics, public speaking, sewing, graphics, baking, business, video editing, finance lesson, handwriting, coding, even language. to diaspora kids. You can teach abacus lessons. Anything valuable can become income source for you if you choose this path. You can teach children, teenagers, parents, workers, business owners. And what do you need? Just Zoom. You need WhatsApp, Telegram, Google Meet, whiteboard, ring lights. Do good internet, and you can charge as high as 200k. Some people charge 10,000, 50,000, and they charge premium prices. All you need is to structure your notes, and you are good to go. Number 6. This one is underrated. Notebooks, printing, jotter, business receipt. See, it looks ordinary, but it moves money quietly, because schools constantly need all these things. They need jotter, they need exam materials, businesses need receipts, they need invoice, branded stationery, and again, you don't need giant printing machines. You can simply collect jobs, send them to printers, add your profit, low button. Number 7, which is one of the odogu in the industry, is hair wig business. Women spend heavily on hair. Hair is no longer just beauty. It is identity. It is people's confidence. It is social media appearance to some women. And there are different sides to this business that you can do. Wig making, wig revamping, hair supply, styling, frontal installation. You don't even have to become the wig maker yourself. You can find skilled local wig makers. Collect orders, outsource production, build your own brand. Many people already do this. Some are the face of the business outside, while others handle the production behind the scene. See, this business works because women repeat purchases, and social media has increased beauty consciousness massively. So here are practical ways, the reality to all these businesses I mentioned. Number 1, find people who already have skill. Look around your area, find tailors. You can find wig makers, printers, designers, shoemakers. Many people are struggling to get customers. So if you partner with them, it's going to, they will easily accept you. Tell them, let us partner. No complicated English. And you can also build your online presence. By doing that, you open TikTok, Instagram, Facebook page, WhatsApp businesses. Just start posting. Post videos of before and after, your customer reviews. Process the videos. Post your finished product. Just start small. Your goal is not a million. Your goal is proof. One customer, then another, then the confidence that changes everything. So stop waiting too much. Some people say, I want to learn for 2 years before I start. No. See, experience teaches faster than endless preparation. Please understand this. Money is no longer going to people with certificates. Money is flowing towards people who can solve the real problems. People who can package value and position themselves properly. And many of these businesses are not waiting for government approval. Who send government? They can start from your room. But stop looking down on skills because they look ordinary. Ordinary skills have built extraordinary wealth for many people. Start small if you must. Outsource if necessary. Learn aggressively. Market consistently. But stop waiting for perfect conditions before you take your move. Because the people making money are not the smart ones. They are people who take the opportunities when the right time comes. So please start today and ensure that you pick 1 or 2 of these. And if you have other skills you are currently doing, just know that the side you need now is to learn the business side of that business you are currently into. Do something and ensure that whatever you are choosing is giving you the high margin profit, not the small ones. I hope you understand. So if you find this video valuable, my name is Helen once again. I am your money enthusiast and a financial literacy advocate. I'm going to see you in my next video. Please don't forget to like this video and click the subscribe button. God bless you.